To manage form in your website, first click on Edit Site button. Then select Form Page, navigate to Form section and click on Manage Form option. Here, your form fields will appear. To edit fields, click on Setting icon and click on Edit Properties option. Here we will enter the label, which looks something like this in the form. You can also add a tooltip here, which will look something like this. You can also add minimum or maximum length of this field. If you want to enter error message, you can enter from here. Now, enter placeholder, which looks something like this in the field. Then, if you want to make this field required, then check the required option. Now, save the changes. You can also see a preview of your form. To add new form field, click on Add Field button. Here, select your desired field. Then click on Setting icon and click on Edit Properties option. Now make your changes and save it. To change any field position in form, click on Particular Field and drag and drop where you want to put. Similarly, you can add multiple fields. For example, let's add some new fields. First, let's try adding a drop-down field. Go to Edit Properties option. Here we will enter the label. Now enter the drop-down options. Click on plus icon to create more options. Then enter placeholder and save the changes. Then let's try adding a Upload Document field. Go to Edit Properties option. Here enter the label. Select media type, images or document, then enter placeholder and save the changes. Now save the entire form. Let's preview it to see the changes. Form is working successfully. To create rules or conditions in your form, first click on Manage Form option. Here let's create field, then we will set the rules. For example, we will show 2 countries, and when the user select a country, the options for that country will be shown. Here 2 country added now, let's create country zones that will appear when the rules will apply. After zone creation, now we will hide this field because it will be there in the rules. Let's create second zone field. Similarly, hide this field. Now click on Rules option. Here click on Add New Rule. Now here choose Country under the If This field. Then select Condition is equal to. Then select option India. Now under the Action field, select Indian Zone field. And select Show option in Will Be field. Now click on Add More Action button. Now under this field, select USA Zone field and select Hide option in Will Be field. Save the rules. The rule we have set is, when someone selects India in the Country field, the Indian Zone field will be shown and USA Zone field will be hidden. Just like we made rules to show Indian Zone, similarly, we will now make rules for USA Zone. Here choose Country under the If This field. Then select condition is equal to. Then select option USA. Now, under the action field, select USA Zone field and select show option in will be field. Now click on Add More Action button. Now under this field, select Indian Zone field and select Hide option in will be field. Save the rules and save the form. Let's preview it to see the changes. Rules are working successfully. To manage general setting in your form, click on General option. Then enter your form name. Here enter Form Description. Now select After Submission option, means here we will set whether the user should see a thanks message after filling the form or the user should be redirected to a link. If you choose thanks message, then enter message here. Then enter whitelist IP. For example, you are submitting your form and testing it repeatedly. You can make multiple submissions by entering your IP here. Here enter callback script on submit. If you want a custom script to be implemented in JavaScript after form submission, then this is for that. And if you want to redirect to a link after form submission, then in the After Submission field, we will select the redirect to a new link option. Then click on Link button option. Here you can link it to any page, web address, email, and etc. Then click on Done button. Now save the form and let's preview it to see the changes. It's working successfully. To enable authentication in forms, first navigate to Manage Form. Then click on Auth option. Here turn on the authentication toggle. Then select authentication mode, email or SMS. For example, we will continue with SMS. Now here select two-factor.in, SMS provider. You need to set up first, then continue. You can watch two-factor.in setup tutorial or tutorial video link in description. Now save the form and preview it to see the changes. Forms authentication working successfully. To accept payments in form, click on Manage Form option. Then click on Payment option. Before accepting form payments, you need to set up a payment gateway. Here turn on the Accept Payment toggle. Then select Payment Type. Here enter your label. Then enter services name and their price. You can add multiple services by clicking on Add More Service option. If you want to save the lead even after the form payment fails, click on Abandoned Lead. Now, save the form and preview it to see the changes. Form payment working successfully.